In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Interactive Brokers versus Webull versus Moomoo in Canada, 3 investing platforms that appeal to very different types of traders. If you're trying to pick the right broker for your Canadian portfolio, I'll walk you through how they compare, what each does well, and where to watch out. Let's start with Interactive Brokers Canada. This is a powerhouse broker built for serious traders and investors who want global market access, very low trade costs, and professional-level tools. You can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, currencies, basically a wide range of assets, and the execution is very strong. Interactive Brokers' pricing structure is competitive, especially if you trade frequently or execute large trades, and its currency conversion rates are among the best, making it efficient for international investing. On the downside, the platform is quite complex. The interface, especially its desktop version, can feel overwhelming for new investors. Learning to use advanced order types, margin, or international markets requires time, and there are additional costs like market data subscriptions or fees for certain types of trades. For someone buying a few Canadian or US ETFs to hold long-term, Interactive Brokers might feel like overkill. Next, Webull Canada. Webull is sleek, modern, and very mobile-friendly. It's a great choice for investors who want to trade from their phone, monitor charts, and make relatively straightforward trades in Canadian and US markets. The app is intuitive, the onboarding is smooth, and you don't feel bogged down by too many complicated features. Webull offers decent charting. But Webull also has its trade-offs. It doesn't offer the same deep level of global access or advanced trading features as Interactive Brokers. For example, if you're looking to trade less common assets, or you need very complex strategies, Webull may feel limited. Fees are generally reasonable, but the simplicity comes at the cost of fewer powerful tools. So Webull is ideal for casual to semi-active traders, but not for someone who wants full control or global exposure. Finally, there's Moomoo Canada. Moomoo strikes a nice balance, more powerful than Webull, less intimidating than Interactive Brokers. It supports Canadian registered accounts like TFSA and RSP, which is a big bonus for Canadian investors. The platform offers strong charting tools, real-time market data, and a polished interface, both mobile and desktop. The cost structure is competitive, and Moomoo's research and educational features are solid, helping you make informed trades. On the flip side, Moomoo is not perfect for everyone. While its fees are low, very high-frequency or institutional-style traders may find better rates elsewhere. Some users mention occasional delays in customer support and slight complexity in trade fee terms when dealing with larger or more varied trades. Also, while its market coverage is broad, it may not match the full global reach and advanced order options of Interactive Brokers. So, who is each platform best suited for? Pick Interactive Brokers Canada if you're an active or advanced investor, want global markets, and are comfortable navigating a very powerful platform. Pick Webull Canada if you value a clean, mobile-first experience and want to trade Canadian and US stocks without fuss. Pick Moomoo Canada if you want an intermediate-level platform with good tools, strong data, and support for Canadian registered accounts. Each of these options is very good in its own zone. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Interactive Brokers, Webull, or Moomoo in Canada, or if you're considering switching. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and clear reviews of investing platforms.